You probably clicked on this video because you want to see if you really can use Legos to solve systems of equations. Well, keep watching because it's true. You can learn how to solve systems of equations with substitution using Lego bricks, and in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how. All the components of this activity are on GlennaTabor.com, and they are free. That's right, I'm not sending you to a website to pay for a download. I want you to use it with your students because it works and it's free. This game is another winner for understanding, in a simple hands-on way, a really tough and abstract algebraic concept. Or let's see, no, you would probably rather just memorize these steps. I mean, look, there's only 4 and there's only, 100 words. My stomach is knotting up just looking at them. Well, let's set that aside. You'll have it. And let's get into the fun and use Legos to solve systems of equations. You'll need a complete set of cards. This is a self-checking activity, so fold back the Lego picture portion because that shows the correct answer. Lay the cards where all players or pairs can easily see them, and put a cover over the top card. This is a race, so you'll want that covered initially. For this set of cards, we're going to use light to studded Lego bricks to represent positive Y, and darker to represent negative Y. Put that key out so everyone can see it. Every player or pair will also need 10 light and 10 dark Legos and 25 two-colored counters that will represent the constants in the equations they will be creating. You might want to provide some scratch paper and pencils just in case players need to think on paper. Place your work mat in front of you and your manipulatives of Legos and counters beside it. Then all players put their hands on their shoulders and the leader says, "Go," and pulls off the top sheet. All players race to see who can be the first to create this equation, substituting in this amount. Let's try one together. Here it is. X is equal to negative 3y. So let's create this one. If we know x is negative 3y, then we put 3y plus y equals 4. Let's open it and see. Yes, we did it correctly. Let's finish it. We know that these two with the additive inverse property will cancel each other out or make 0 pairs. And then we know that 2y equals 4, so y is equal to 2. I was the first one to finish, so I would stand up with my partner and we would say what we thought was the answer, and the leader would open it up and double check. Anyone who has the correct answer represented will win 5 points. Wow, what an amazing gift you've just given a learner. You taught them a really abstract algebraic concept in a concrete way. Next game, that's right. There's another algebra made simple using Legos game. You need to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell. Yeah, ring the bell so that you'll be notified as soon as the new game is uploaded. Remember, check out these videos for more about how to use Lego bricks in algebra. That's it. We had fun learning about solving systems of equations using Lego bricks. Thanks for watching.